Agriculture is broken. For 100 years, the farming industry has fought in the red ocean. Manufacturers build machines that are bigger, heavier, and more expensive. But in this race, they forgot about the non-customers. The small greenhouse owner who cannot fit a tractor inside. The family farmer who can't afford a $10,000 loan. But what if we didn't build a better tractor, but redefine what a tractor looks like?
I'm Jonas,
I'm Hajun,
and we're both students from UWCSE Dover.
We are a team of engineers who are united by our farming heritage. Introducing ModufarmBot. ModufarmBot is a modular electric farm robot that replaces multiple single-purpose machines with one compact platform. Think of it as Lego for agriculture. Farmers swap tools for a universal connect system, letting the same robot plow, seed, spray, weed, and harvest across seasons, including in tight greenhouses where tractors cannot operate. The best part is the ability to start with one bot and add more to work together as a synchronized team as the farm grows, using our advanced network system. But here's the real revolution. While the industry demands you to spend at least $10,000, ModufarmBot creates a new market space at just $101. At Modufarm, we strive to rearrange, then exceed. Today's agricultural machinery is in the bloody red ocean. Traditional tractors like the Kubota Case 1 and autonomous models such as the Jonka Neo are locked in an arms race to build machines that are heavier, more complex, and has more horsepower, overshooting the markets with features that farmers cannot afford or use.
The overall design of the ModufarmBot is deeply inspired by Mars rovers, particularly the integrated suspension systems. ModufarmBot employs a fuselage that stabilizes its center of gravity and allows it to navigate obstacles and execute precise positions. It is controlled by an ESP32 microcontroller, enabling connection via Bluetooth. This microcontroller optimizes task distribution and resource utilization through a pathfinding algorithm. Different functioning modules, such as drilling and irrigation, are attached through a central connection point, enabling an array of functions across the growth cycle of agricultural produce.
We don't just compete, we unlock 3 tiers of non-customers. Tier 1 are the trap farmers that rely on manual labor because they are priced out of the $10,000 market. They want automation and they are ready to jump into ours. Tier 2 are the greenhouse owners and home gardeners who have rejected big tractors because they simply won't fit inside and there's high operational risks. Tier 3 goes beyond farming to municipal land management, environmental restoration, and disaster recovery, which unlocks entirely new demand.
ModufarmBot is fully electric, producing zero emissions in the field. Its precision spraying applies exactly the right amount of fertilizer and pesticide, cutting chemical waste and protecting nearby ecosystems. And because it's small and lightweight, it preserves soil structure instead of compacting it like heavy machinery. Switching from conventional tractors to lighter electric systems can reduce climate impact by up to 72%. Beyond that, precision agriculture techniques like ours can reduce fertilizer usage by up to 25% and pesticide use by up to 30%, meaning less chemical runoff into rivers and groundwater. Our cluster system also eliminates the need for multiple single-purpose machines, reducing the total manufacturing footprint. One modular bot replaces an entire fleet. Less production, less waste, less environmental cost. A full ModufarmBot set retails at $101 compared to over $10,000 for traditional automation. A core cabin carries a 40% gross margin, while add-on modules sit at 50%, giving us a blended set margin of roughly 45%. We're targeting 10,000 units in year 1 on a $1 million operating budget. Of that, 75% goes to raw materials and labor, 10% to R&D, and the remaining 15% covers admin, marketing, and distribution. At this pricing and volume, we project profitability within year 1, with a full payback period of around 30 months.
Instead of competing on scale and heavy machinery, ModufarmBot creates a space of its own. We dramatically increase compactness, portability, and multi-season adaptability, making advanced automation accessible beyond industrial farms. Most importantly, we introduce swarm intelligence, enabling collaboration without massive capital investment.
Currently, our prototype is semi-developed and is running live on Shanghai's Menteng Tech Farm, automating irrigation and harvesting today. This traction secured us $1,600 in investments from greenhouse operators to further develop our product. Even at current pricing, the economics work. Each full robot set brings in roughly a 45% profit margin. We don't hide our progress. Our full prototyping and field logs are documented on our website.
We've also established partnerships with greenhouse operators and a 3D printing lab, while a patent has been filed for our algorithm and controller architecture. But to scale, we must upgrade. Funding is the catalyst to upgrade from prototype plastics to higher-grade materials, streamline manufacturing, expand modular options, and perfect our soft robotic system for more precise, low-damage crop collection. Consequently, this competition gives us the platform to turn a working invention into a blue ocean revolution.